Hi guys! Sorry, I'm really hyping today. Hi. This is my second vlog. Sam, yeah, me. Just playing on PS3, playing on skate. Yeah. Interesting. So boring day today, pretty much. School. Yeah. Had terrible lessons. Saying. Before you say no, I'm not in primary school. I might look like it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. But yeah, you might hear skate in the background, the music. So yes. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, please. 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 Pretty please. Pretty please be sugar again. Yes. Okay. Awkward. Sorry, I'm just like really hyped today. Yeah. Let's just say sorry to Corey, who I'm doing the channel with. I kind of said it was my channel, but it isn't mine. It's both ours. It's both our channel. Yes. Boom. Sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much my vlog for today. Bit getting out. Yeah. You want to see my parrot? Yes. You want to see my parrot? Yes. Okay. You want to see him? He might make some squawking noise. It does this sometimes. He doesn't like the laptop, so he doesn't like being filmed. But I don't know if you can see him. He's like really shouting in his hammock. There he is. Yes. He's just chatting to himself. Yeah, he's called Pablo. It's a pretty cool parrot. He's awesome, aren't you? Yeah. So he is. He's bobbing his head. Yeah, you're dancing. Dance to the music. That's him singing. Do. Yeah. So, back to me. Right, I got this whole vlogging idea of Syndicate, who is awesome. Love these Minecraft videos. They're that. Love his houses. Damn, they're good. Yeah. I also got the vlogging ideas of Kate, his friend. But yeah, got all of them too. Yeah, they're awesome. Great guys. There's some other recommended channels that I'd like to say, like Blue Zephos, they do Minecraft videos. Uber Nova, another one. Pretty cool guys. There's another one called Adam's Own Top Marks. They're a bit nutty in the head. Hi. So yes, that's pretty much it. Sorry if like my eyes aren't like directly at you. I'm just like looking at the laptop because I'm filming it on the laptop, not from a camera, and it's kind of hard to like talk and look at the camera because it's like I keep thinking the camera's on the screen, not up here. No. But yeah. So yes. Yeah. Had a bit of a bully day though. My girlfriend broke up with me. Yeah, she actually did. I'm not joking. Like joke. A joke. No. Yeah, she broke up with me. Don't know why. She just did it. If you're wondering why I've got some like metal on my teeth, it's a it's a brace. Yeah. So yeah. Please subscribe if you like this video, as well as like it, favourite it. I don't really care what you do. Just It's a new channel. We need some subscribers. So please, pretty please. Okay, bye.